From north to south, east to west, we're going to explore the art full of wonders and mysteries. Welcome to Finding Art.
Vegetables provide nutrients vital for health and maintenance of our body. Let's see why we need to eat potatoes. Potato. Health benefits of potato. Digestion. Carbohydrates in potato facilitate digestion. Potatoes, being rich in fiber, help to prevent constipation and promote regularity in bowel movement. Scurvy. It is a disease caused by a deficiency of vitamin C, characterized by swollen, bleeding gums and the opening of previously healed wounds. The vitamin C present in potatoes can help prevent this disease. Inflammation. Choline is a very important nutrient in potatoes that helps with sleep, muscle movement, learning, and memory. Also assists in the absorption of fat and reduces chronic inflammation. Potatoes contain a lot of vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6 that helps relieve any inflammation of the intestines and the digestive system and cures mouth ulcers as well. Also good for arthritis and gout. Rheumatism. Potatoes are good for any disease marked by inflammation and pain in the joints, muscles, or fibrous tissue, especially rheumatoid arthritis. Vitamins like the calcium and magnesium in potatoes work against rheumatism. Bone health. The iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and zinc in potatoes help to build and maintain bone structure and strength. Weight management. Dietary fibers in potato help in weight management, and its carbohydrates and little protein makes it an ideal diet for those who want to put on weight. Heart health protection. The content fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 in potatoes and lack of cholesterol protects heart health. Vitamin B6 prevents the buildup of homocysteine. Excessive amounts of homocysteine in the body can damage blood vessels and lead to heart problems. Metabolism. Potatoes are a great source of vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in energy metabolism by breaking down carbohydrates and proteins into glucose and amino acids. These smaller compounds are more easily utilized for energy within the body. Skin care. Vitamin C and B complex as well as minerals like potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc are good for the skin. Vitamin C in potato as an essential nutrient that works in the body as an antioxidant to help prevent damage caused by the sun, pollution, and smoke. Vitamin C also promotes collagen's ability to smooth wrinkles and improve overall skin texture. Lowering blood pressure. Institute for Food Research in the UK have identified blood pressure lowering compounds called couponins in potatoes. It was found only in an exotic herbal plant whose bark is used to make an infusion in Chinese herbal medicine. Building cells. Potato is rich in vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is involved in more than 100 enzymatic reactions. Enzymes are proteins that help in chemical reactions. Vitamin B6 is essential for the formation of virtually all new cells in the body. Cancer prevention. Cancer is a group of diseases involving abnormal cell growth with the potential to invade or spread to the other parts of the body. Certain types of potatoes, particularly red and russet potatoes, contain high levels of flavonoid antioxidants and vitamin A like zeaxanthin and carotenes. They can protect you against many types of cancer. Kidney stones. A kidney stone is a hard, crystalline mineral material formed within the kidney or urinary tract. Kidney stones, also known as renal calculi. Potatoes contain magnesium, which inhibits the accumulation or deposition of calcium in the kidney and other tissues, thereby proving beneficial for treatment of renal calculi. Thanks for watching. This is your host, Tracy Gomez. Please subscribe. See you in my next video.